Imagine a dish that's a symphony of flavors, an orchestra of spices, and a ballet of textures. That's chicken biryani for you. A star of Indian cuisine, chicken biryani is a complete and delicious meal. It's a masterful blend of soaked, intricately cooked rice and succulent chicken pieces, all harmoniously dancing with a variety of spices and herbs. The result? A dish with a rich, distinctive flavor that's as aromatic as it is appetizing. This is a dish that promises to take your taste buds on an unforgettable culinary journey. What makes chicken biryani so delicious? It's all in the ingredients. Let's start with the star of the show, chicken. Typically, chicken breasts or thighs are used, which when cooked right, give the biryani its tender, juicy bite. Next, we have the basmati rice. Known for its long, slender grains and fragrant aroma, it's an essential part of the dish. Then we have the myriad of spices and herbs, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, cardamom, mashed garlic, and grated ginger. These create the complex and distinct flavors that biryani is famous for. A sprinkle of saffron soaked in milk is added to give the rice a natural color and unique flavor. Onions, garlic, and ginger are sautéed in butter or oil to provide a depth of flavor and a delightful aroma. Each ingredient plays its part, and together they form a symphony of flavors that is chicken biryani. With all these ingredients, we're set to create a dish that's as vibrant and flavorful as its birthplace. Now we dive into the heart of the matter, the cooking process. Let's break it down into simple steps. First up, marinating the chicken. This is where flavors start to build. Coat your chicken pieces with a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, crushed garlic, grated ginger, and spices like coriander, cumin, and cinnamon. Give it a good mix and let it sit for at least an hour. This allows the chicken to absorb all the flavors and become tender, making it all the more delicious. While the chicken is marinating, let's get the rice ready. Boil your preferred choice of rice, ideally basmati, in a large pot of salted water. You want it cooked, but not completely soft. Once done, drain it and set it aside. Next, heat some butter or oil in another large pot. Add finely chopped onions and sauté until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This caramelization adds a layer of sweetness that balances the spice and heat of the dish. Now it's time to add your marinated chicken to the pot. Sauté until it's cooked and browned. This is where the magic happens. The chicken releases its flavors, mingling with the onions and creating a base that's absolutely packed with taste. Add crushed garlic and ginger and stir for a couple of minutes until the aroma fills your kitchen. Then sprinkle in your spices, cumin, cinnamon, and cardamom. Stir for another minute to release their flavors. Gently fold in your partially cooked rice, ensuring it's well incorporated with the chicken and spices. Then pour in milk infused with saffron. Stir it gently to distribute the color and flavor. Finally, tightly cover the pot and let it slow cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the rice to finish cooking and the flavors to fully develop. And there you have it. Your pot of aromatic, flavorful chicken biryani is ready. The final step, the crowning glory, serving the biryani. Chicken biryani is not just a dish, it's a sensory experience. To enhance this, consider garnishing your biryani with crisp fried onion slices, soaked raisins, and freshly chopped coriander. These toppings not only add an aesthetic appeal, but also an additional layer of flavor that complements the rich spices beautifully. Chicken biryani is a versatile dish that can adapt to any mealtime. It can be served as the main course for lunch or dinner. If you wish, you can pair it with a light soup or side salads. The beauty of biryani is that it is a standalone dish, complete in itself, if you prefer it that way. This dish is a complete meal, rich in proteins from the chicken, carbohydrates from the rice, and healthy fats from the ghee or oil used. The variety of spices used in biryani are not just for flavor, they come with their own set of health benefits. Spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In conclusion, chicken biryani is a delicious and famous Indian meal consisting of intricately cooked rice with marinated chicken pieces and distinctive spices. It's a dish that's as enjoyable to make as it is to eat. Bon appétit!